Cannot reset my ice maker cleaning needed light.
I'll do all I can to help. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
Cannot reset the cleaning needed.
Is there anything else important you think the appliance technician should know?
No.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the appliance technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Hello, this is Dave and I'm happy to help you. Is this an under-counter ice maker or one in a refrigerator? What is the brand and model number, please?
Under-counter Maytag MIM 15544ZRS.
Thanks. Did you run a clean cycle? How long did you let it run?
Only 1/4. MIM 1554ZRS. I have run it 4 times. Twice I let it run overnight.
The clean cycle takes about 70 minutes and the clean light won't reset until the very end. If it get interrupted before the time is up, the light stays on. Was the cycle this long?
Or longer. It never reset.
Okay, I see your answer. If the light never goes out, it could be a control problem. Is it less than a year old?
No.
This won't affect operation, but replacing the control would be the only fix. Depending how hard the water is in your area, you will only need to clean it 1 a year or even longer. Do you feel the need to replace the control for this?
If that is the only fix. I was hoping that there was some way to reset it. How do I replace it?
You could try Diagnostics. Within 10 seconds of turning it on, you press and hold the on and clean buttons for several seconds until all lights flash. Everything should operate for a few seconds each. Just let it run and it shuts off after a while.
Okay. I'll try that. Diagnostic ran. Everything worked, but it did not clear the cleaning needed light.
Okay, unplug it for 10 minutes and then if the light comes back on, it will take the control. The problem is that there are 2. The display and the main. Let me check into this before I give you numbers.
Okay, cool. Thanks. I will unplug it and wait 10 minutes. Unplugging did not clear the light.
Okay, I am checking with the manufacturer for more information before I make a recommendation. I may not be able to reply until tomorrow, but please wait until I get an answer.
Okay. No problem. I'll wait. Thanks again.
There is something we can try before replacing the control. The water level sensor can cause this, and if we disconnect it and the light goes out, that is all that is needed. Turn off power or pull the plug at the wall. The sensor is inside above the water reservoir and you just need to unplug the 3-wire connector. Here is a link to a picture of the sensor so you know you find the right part. Water level sensor link. Let me know what happens.
I don't see that part. I attached pics of the reservoir controls with cover removed. And area above the water reservoir. This should be it under the wiring and be in the black pump. That would go to first wire harness. Unplugged in pic 2.
On the newest models, the water sensor is part of the pump. What is the number at the end of your model number after the S?
I ran it unplugged, and it filled and circulated like it was going to make ice. Should I let it run unplugged a while? Also, cleaning needed light is still on.
If you have this same part, it would be hanging in the water behind the black pump under the white cover. I learned that disconnecting the sensor will not be a good test as it leaves the light on. The sensor would need to be replaced and then a clean cycle run. If you still can't find it, let me know, but the good news is that this sensor is much cheaper than a control. This issue has only recently started to occur, so it is the fire at I saw like this. The factory experts are saying to replace the sensor number WPW10485962.
It is run okay with sensor disconnected. So far. I will replace the sensor and go from there.
Okay, best wishes to you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.